Yes, we are in. Yep, Orlando. And this is a GE washing machine. General Electric, that's what they call it. This General Electric is not a hydrowave, but it has a nice sound. Even if you put your hand on it, you feel the vibration. I always wanted a washing machine for my very own. But this one has a really nice sound. The one I'm getting is a Whirlpool World Washer. After a QB video I watched, you know those Takara QBs, I found this washer. Uh-oh. Now it stopped. There it goes again. So it's a GE washing machine.